Hi mga ate at kuya.
Bikono, ano na ginagawa mo? Hindi ka na masyado nagda-live. Bakit? May nangyari
At
ba?
kuya, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na official partner na tayo ng Cadre Creative Labs.
What? Multi-channel incubator dedicated to building original Filipino-owned IPs, building the next generation of games, comics, character, and animation entertainment IPs. Help creators turn bold ideas into global cross-media franchises. Not just me, but Excellency Uprising will be partnered to Cadre.
So, expect me to play a Filipino game made by Cadre Creative Labs. And you can join my game, or join us with other excellency content creators, play Cadre Creative Labs games. And there is more to mention. So that's will be it for today's video. And I'm so excited na kung ano yung lalaruin. Kung ano yung lalaruin ko o lalaruin namin o lalaruin natin na mga laro sa made by Cadre Creative Labs.